guys. So, may susulat tayo for today's video, guys. Sunod kasi si ate na save. So, guys, maganda na kayo ng ay, hindi. So, ang gagawin ko kasi ngayon, guys.
Okay, well, let's see your perfect place.
Ang gagawin natin is mag-rules tayo na pwedeng So, let's go. So, panoorin nyo ito hanggang dulo. Panoorin nyo ito hanggang dulo. So,
We'll find our own place. Let's go over here.
Good luck, you're running out of time. Bye.
We just have to find another
so
avenue
mag-shoot
like
tayo
that.
ng
Here's one.
plan.
Okay, I've set up my secret room. Now time to get some snacks. Sailor loves to buy chocolate, so I'm going to get some just in case I have to bribe her later. Definitely going to need this. Okay, dinner and dessert.
Please, please, please.
Ito yung training ko na nakaraan.
Wait lang. Magsinulat na. Sinulat ko lang. So, kukuha mo tayo ng tissue.
Hello. Oh, maybe some snacks? Yes.
Tapos yung mga